In this lecture, we are going to learn rectangle command and its different type. Go to start, mechanical design, part design, OK. Select plane, sketch. In profile toolbar, you can find these different commands. The first option is corner rectangle. Select corner rectangle, select first point. Now drag the mouse and select second point. Again select corner rectangle, first point and second point. Next option is oriented rectangle. Select first point, drag the mouse and select second point. Again drag the mouse to give height and select third point. Select one more time, first point, second point and third point. The next option is parallelogram. Select first point, second point, drag the mouse. Now you can see that the opposite side are parallel to each other. Now select third point. Next option is elongated hole. Select first point, second point. Now drag the mouse and select third point. Select one more time, first point, second point and third point. Next option is cylindrical elongated hole. Select first point, second point. Now make an arc and select third point. Drag the mouse and select fourth point. Select one more time, first point, second point, third point and fourth point. Next option is keyhole. Select first point, second point, drag the mouse and select third point. Now drag a mouse and select fourth point. Next option is hexagon. Select center point, drag the mouse and give some length, left click. Delete these sketch. Next option is centered rectangle. In this rectangle, the first point will be our center point. The rectangle is drawn from the center point. Select the center point, left click. This was the basic intro of rectangle command and its type.